Power. Have you got power?
We're just going to do a quick race. We got a Porter 036. We got a Porter 034. This is the bro Richard from Rutherford Saws. So you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go then. Fire it up, mate. And Peter, you can say start.
Rutherford Saws, based in New Zealand, out Wainarrow. I love modifying, tinkering and sharpening and all sorts of things to do with saws.
I'm going to roll the log around there and we'll go back the other way.
Yep.
Because I'm sure my end's thicker, mate.
Oh, it is, eh? It might be a bit more wetter up that end too, so it might make it a bit.
Find out. No excuses. Horsepower in a box.
She's a bit hot. Throttle stuck on. Bro, I still got you.
Well, luckily I built both saws and his is bigger.